Hey guys, Lily here, and today we are back with another video, and we are going to be making our slime. Yeah, we are making.
After the video we just made. Oh, guys, she got glue in her hair, and I got some in my glasses.
So we're gonna be making a slime smoothie, guys.
Stop.
It's the one and only.
Put it down and go wash your hands.
So we need one big
We
plate.
made this slime right here. Stop. No. We made this slime. Oh my.
So we got oh snap.
We have a big mess going on.
So
we made this.
Here we go. Slime smoothie, guys.
So we made this slime.
This is the final.
After it's the final. So the first one we have is Lily.
This is my slime. Putting it on his eyes. This is Casey's slime.
I don't want to see my slime go. I don't want to see my slime.
Oh my gosh, guys, it looks so cool. And then
mine. And then we have no ones. That is terrible.
We're not doing that yet.
Oh. Can I touch that? Nope.
No, not yet.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Let me mix it a little bit.
We can all mix it.
Oh, it is so much better. I want to mix it.
No, you didn't make it.
It looks so cool. So cool.
It's so big.
Here.
It's so big, guys. Look at this.
We have this batch to go too.
Yeah, add it in. Do it.
Wait, no, make it bowl.
Look at that.
Wait, before we add that in, please hit the subscribe button.
Turn on post notifications and like this video in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was really quick. So if you could do that, you're freaking impressive.
Yeah.
Now,
now we're gonna make a bowl.
It looks so cool,
make a bowl
guys.
And we're gonna put this
Oh my gosh.
Lily, can I have some milk?
It's so good. I don't
She
care.
needs some milk. Okay, make
It's
a bowl.
so
Make a
freaking
bowl.
good.
Make a bowl or an oval, whatever you need.
Here we go.
Make
Do
a
it.
bowl. Can you give me a movie
Okay.
cup? Does this one have any?
Go.
Okay. And now you're gonna fold it over. That one's yours.
Do it.
That's the slime.
Smoothie. This is what happens when you mix all these slimes together. It turns
Too
into
many
this.
fingers.
Oh yeah. Oh yes.
I know. She's like playing with the slime and recording. It's really messy because of the gold slime. Because
Really good.
Because you just threw it all together. Look at my hands. Look at your hands.
Yes.
This is all my glue well, not all of it. I still have
Literally the best. I've never done a slime smoothie, so this is my first one. Get the plate. Oh no.
I want a little. Oh, that's some good. Okay.
What are you doing with my lotion?
Allie got it out.
Give me like Allie did.
Allie,
What?
why do you got my lotion?
This is like the biggest. It crackled.
You need to clean up.
Mom, don't worry. We'll clean this up. It's not. It might look messy, but it's not as messy.
All you need to do is throw away those plates and throw away those paper towels.
And then put the sheet away.
Hold on, can I feel it? You record me for a
I
second.
can't. My hands are on.
I'll just do it like this. Do you guys want to add this? Here, let me see this. No, don't add that. No, that's for...
That plate's in the way. It's like paper now.
Here, let me see this. Look, it's slime.
Oh my god. Don't pull hard. No, let's do a swirl. Swirl.
Swirl it.
Oh. Poke it.
Okay, let me see. Let's see how far it can stretch. So grab it.
Grab a piece. Do it.
And pull. Okay, Lily, you do the middle.
Okay.
Keep it. We're gonna try to get it to expand from the further than the view.
It's like a freaking
Be
snake.
careful.
It's like a freaking snake.
No! That just fall on my... I don't know.
Careful. This is a cool slime. It might not be stretchy and pokey, but it's still really cool.
Okay, guys. We did it! It stretched out of the mirror! It stretched out of it!
Okay, swirl. Let's do it. Oh, no.
No flowers!
Mom, this thing is so like...
Satisfying.
Mommy.
This is how much you gave me?
Mama. This stuff is satisfying.
We should add the rest, a little bit of the activator.
Do it.
The rest?
Just a little bit.
I don't know. She said the rest? It's behind the milk.
Because this is good. This is good.
Is it working?
I don't know.
It is. Okay, I'm gonna go
What
with
kind of donuts do you guys like?
What would have a
She's getting us donuts in the morning.
Maybe. What kind do you guys
Cream
like?
filled.
Glaze.
Hey, wait, whose is this?
Casey's.
Don't leave it up.
Such a good color. The glitter goes so good.
Stop.
Oh my god.
What kind?
I don't know because I
Girl, what is your sister like? Okay.
Guys, it's beautiful. It looks black. It's not.
I don't know. Maybe.
If we can't get that,
It's so. Oh my gosh. Okay, okay, guys, we're gonna get a huge container for this, and
I'm going.
she added the rest.
Allison,
It's so slippery.
Allison's using your Yes. Oh, it smells. What is Haley?
Oh yeah, what? Cause she added the rest of it.
Your ball again, Allison. What is Haley feeling like?
Why is she messing with my stuff?
Hey,
But it's annoying.
leave it alone.
But it's mine.
What is Haley feeling like?
Put your hands down.